Hi guys. Today we're going to be learning about expressions like these. A, B, C. And then we've got combinations like this one, which we call the sum of A and B. Or maybe something like this, the difference between C and A. We're going to start with these as our building blocks, and we're going to be combining them using addition and subtraction. Now these already have addition and subtraction in them, but that won't matter. We're still going to combine things like this with things like this, using more addition and subtraction. Let's start with some easy examples. This verbal expression says A plus C, and that means we are combining this expression and this expression using addition. To translate that, it looks like this. There are three others. Pause the video and try to figure out how you would translate these into mathematical symbols. If you got these, you're right. Again, these are fairly simple to illustrate the point. Now, let's try a little bit more of a complicated example. As you can see, this one is a lot wordier. But if we break it down, you'll see that it's just as simple. Let's take a look at this first part. A, if we put a little quote around that, we recognize that that's just this expression here, A. Then we have a plus sign. And now let's take a look at the rest of this sentence. The difference between C and A. If you look up here, that's actually just this expression. All of those words, I'll put quotes around it so you can see. So we have the expression A plus the difference between C and A. To translate that, it looks like this. We write A plus, and when we write an expression like this combined together, we usually wrap it in parentheses, and sometimes you have to, so it's always a good idea. C minus A. So that's how we translate it. It's simply this expression plus this expression. And when you add an expression that is a combination already, you wrap it in parentheses. Let's have you try one. Okay, this one says B minus the sum of A and B. I'll give you a little help here. If I wrap this in quotes, that's B. Then we have the word minus. And then we have this entire phrase, the sum of A and B. By looking up here and matching with these expressions and note your knowledge of the word minus, pause the video and try to come up with an expression written in mathematical symbols that would equal this verbal expression. If you got this, you were right. We've got the expression B right here, so we write that. Minus, okay, we're subtracting, but what are we subtracting? The sum of A and B, which is this expression wrapped in parentheses. So, there you have it. We're taking expressions like these and combining them using addition and subtraction language. Have fun!